Aligning the validated abutment positions that have been replaced with skin body geometry to the patient tissue skin using narrow skin bodies, and the healing cap export from Nexus Connect Lab. Before beginning in Exocad, set up your project per your lab's own standards to design full arch restorations. With the skin body export, the tissue scan, and the healing cap export loaded, we'll start by choosing Align Meshes from the drop-down, then choose the Manually Align Meshes option. Orient the files to match the tissue. Switch back to Automatic. First, we'll match the cylindrical skin body export to the narrow skin body from the tissue scan. Ensure the two files are oriented in the same way. Choose the rounded surface of the exported skin body to match the rounded area of the tissue skin body. Select multiple alignment points for each. Repeat the same process. Note how the side of the skin body matches the general side of the post on the tissue scan. This ensures the best fit matching is aligning correctly so all 4 posts snap into position. Perform best fit matching. Check to ensure correct positioning before continuing. Next, we will use the same guide to align the skin body export to the now matched tissue, using the skin analog as the alignment reference. Invert the files and manually orient. Select Align Meshes. Select Automatically and match the top flat facet of the skin analogs to the matching set now aligned to the tissue scan. Perform best fit matching. You should see a deep blue, representing the close match. Clear the Align Meshes tool. Reorient to the top view. Now select Wizard from the side menu. Skip through the initial steps and any necessary pop-ups. In this example, we will trim away the narrow skin bodies from the tissue to facilitate the visualization of the skin body alignment. This is not essential. Now we will match the skin body library with the geometry chosen during export. In this case, it's the DES multi-unit skin body. It is recommended to choose the skin body during export that your lab is most familiar with and has the libraries for. This is purely to assist your design workflow. With the right library selected, align each individual skin body by orienting it into position and using best fit matching. Continue until all skin bodies are matched. Your case is now ready for design with validated implant location data matched with the patient tissue scans.